The world is your oyster. Open it.
The world is your oyster. Open it, open it. The world is your oyster. Open it, open it. Create it, wander through it. Direct it, share it, live it. The world is your oyster. Open it, open it, open it.
We are receiving a new East.
We are ready for deployment.
Happy Oyster. Open it.
What is happening right now? The world model race just went into turbo mode. Right after HappyHorse went viral, Alibaba dropped something even crazier, HappyOyster. Hello, welcome to AI Factory, a brand new world model that is real-time, interactive, controllable, and fully explorable. This is not video generation. This is world generation. Today, I'll break down what makes HappyOyster revolutionary, how it compares to traditional video models, why world models are the next frontier of AI, and how this tech could reshape gaming, education, tourism, robotics, and more. What is a world model? Traditional video models. You type a prompt. The model renders. You get a fixed video. You can't move, can't change anything. It's like watching a recording. A world model? It simulates the world itself. It understands space, physics, causality, characters, events, state transitions. One prompt or one image creates a full 3D world you can enter. You can walk around, switch camera views, change the story, modify physics, trigger events, and let the world evolve in real time. This is why world models are considered the ultimate form of generative AI. Two core abilities of HappyOyster: wandering mode, interactive world. HappyOyster instantly builds a world. Move freely with WASD, first-person or third-person view, built-in BGM, NPCs walking around, dynamic lighting and physics, auto-recording your exploration, supports text, images, pixel art, oil painting style, for 80p real-time generation, 1 minute continuous roaming, and it's insanely fast. Directing mode, real-time story editing. You can change the story at any moment. The next frame updates instantly. You can control camera motion, emotional tone, resolution, character actions, scene transitions, story direction. This isn't video generation. This is real-time filmmaking. HappyOyster's technical breakthroughs. Alibaba didn't build a clearer video model. They built a world engine, one you can enter, explore, and evolve. And this leap comes from 3 major breakthroughs. 1. Long horizon world modeling. Fixing the long video equals chaos problem. HappyOyster is trained on massive amounts of long-form video, allowing it to learn how real-world states evolve over time, maintain structural stability across long sequences, prevent drifting objects, melting shapes, or collapsing styles. To keep the world coherent, it introduces a continuous state reuse mechanism, historical attention passing. Together, these allow the model to carry forward past world states, ensuring that even long-running scenes stay consistent, stable, and believable. 2. Streaming generation plus real-time interaction. HappyOyster doesn't generate a world all at once. It evolves the world in real time. It compresses the entire environment into a dynamic latent state, and at each step, only the necessary parts are updated. Latency stays extremely low. The world keeps running smoothly. More importantly, you can inject new signals at any moment. Text prompts, images, action commands, wandering controls, all without resetting the world. This upgrades the model from passively generating content to actively simulating a world you can influence and reshape. 3. Unified audio-video generation, maximum immersion. Instead of generating visuals first and adding audio later, HappyOyster generates audio and video together from the same evolving world state. This means BGM adapts to the environment. Ambient sounds sync with actions. Emotional tone and pacing stay consistent. The result is a world that feels alive, with audio and visuals reinforcing each other naturally. HappyOyster is not just a content tool. It's a real-time generative environment engine. Potential use cases: cultural tourism, education and training, robotics simulation, game development, digital companions, smart spaces. Your imagination becomes the source code of new worlds.
AI is a technology that's going to affect all of humanity.
It's going to be used in all parts of our society.
From law to education to healthcare.
The stakes are getting higher and higher because AI is becoming more powerful and changing faster than anything else I've seen.
It's hard for any one individual to have a real grasp of what's happening.
What we need is a trusted source that can gather all this information together.
According to Stanford's 2026 AI Index, Alibaba ranks number 3 globally, number 1 in China. China released 30 major models in 2025. Alibaba alone contributed 11. Alibaba is now one of the leading players in world model research. If you watched my previous video, you'll remember Alibaba's first big shockwave, HappyHorse 1.0, the anonymous open-source model that quietly climbed to the top of global leaderboards, beating Seedance 2.0 and even Sora, before the world found out it was actually built by Alibaba. That was Alibaba's first strike in AI video. But today, HappyOyster takes things to an entirely new level. From generating videos to generating worlds, from watching AI to living inside AI, HappyOyster is now officially in closed beta. Starting today, HappyOyster has opened its internal testing phase with 2 core modes: directing mode, become a real-time director, change the story, control the camera, and reshape the scene as the video is being generated. Wandering mode, become a world explorer, walk freely inside an endlessly expanding 3D environment. Join the waiting list here. More documentation here. One more thing. Why the name HappyOyster? There's a clever story behind it. 400 years ago, Shakespeare wrote in The Merry Wives of Windsor, "The world is your oyster. Open it." For centuries later, HappyOyster makes that sentence literally real. Say a single prompt, and you get a complete world. One you can wander, direct, evolve, and share. For the first time, the world truly opens at your command. If you haven't watched my deep dive on HappyHorse, go check it out. It's the perfect prequel to today's episode. Like, subscribe, and comment. What kind of world would you create? See you in the next world.
Happy Oyster.